This here is the brand new 3i S10 Ultra, and it has some pretty cool features I've never seen on any other robo-vac. Like this smart dirt detection, which uses advanced green eye technology that detects and targets dirty areas. The UltraReach Roller Mop to achieve spotless floors, as it is designed for precision cleaning of hard to reach edges and corners. And a world's first WaterRecycle System, which lets you say goodbye to the nasty task of dumping the dirty water and replacing it with clean water. Nobody actually likes to do that stuff. Yes, it actually filters the dirty water so you never have to mess with the water supply. I've just found a way to clean our house and office much easier, faster, and even more efficiently while saving the planet. I know this is pretty incredible stuff, so pay attention. It's actually easier than most robo-vacs currently offer. Of course, if you just love cleaning the good old-fashioned way, then, scroll on. But then again, you wouldn't be watching this video if you were interested in some automated cleaning. Now, before we jump into all the features of the 3i S10 Ultra, I just want to give you a little overview of this base station because it's really cool how they've designed this. So this is your water tank right here. And they've got some really cool ambient lighting built in here. And you got the nozzles right there. And then on the side right here, you've actually got a little button, and that releases the compartment for the cleaning solution to be added for cleaning the roller. So that's where you access those items. And then down under here, you've actually got the dust bag that holds all the debris that gets sucked up out of the robo vacuum cleaner. And then underneath here, you got a lot happening inside there. And it's kind of hard to see, but basically that's where the roller gets clean. The anti-tangle brush gets combed through to make sure that no hair remains tangled in there. But this base station, it's a little bit on the larger side, but I think it looks really sleek. And the nice thing is as long as you got an outlet, that's all you need. You don't need a water source, you don't need a drainage area for your dirty water, because this thing takes the same water and recycles it over and over again to clean your floors. The 3i S10 Ultra is a new robot vacuum that vacuums and washes your floors while recycling its water. If that sounds new, it is. This robo-vac claims to be able to not just do the regular stuff like mop, clean, and change water, but the 3i S10 Ultra also washes the floor and then recycles the dirty water, which is kind of crazy. This innovative device is about to change the way that you think about robot cleaners. Let's take a look at its key features and see how it can make your life so much easier, especially its water recycling feature. The future of cleaning, is it here? Well, you'll decide here in a second. Imagine coming home after a long day only to find your floors spotless without lifting a finger. The 3i S10 Ultra promises just that with its advanced technologies. With features like the WaterRecycle System and UltraReach Roller Mop, this vacuum is designed for you busy families, professionals, and anyone really who values a clean home without any real effort on your part. Not even changing the water from time to time. This is the life it promises with its S10 Ultra Robo Vac. In fact, did you guys know that the water that gets dispensed into the dirty tank on most robo vacs is supposed to be emptied immediately? So this really is a game changer, and the standout features of the 3i S10 Ultra is its water recycle system. This is the
world's first system that removes the need for manual water refills. Imagine never having to stop and refill a water tank again or empty out the nasty, dirty one. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good to me. The vacuum purifies and recycles water, so it always has what it needs to clean effectively.
Something else that this thing does that I have not seen on any other device is that it actually can extract the humidity out of the air to fill up the water tank. So as this evaporates, even though it's recycling the water after it's dirty, it recycles it through its built-in filters to clean the water so it can go out and clean again. It can actually pull water out of the air. Like for example, in my office here, it's about 41% humidity. It's actually running fans and pulling water directly out of the air and filling it into the tank. And in fact, with about 60% humidity, it only takes about 10 hours to fill up the water tank. That's pretty ingenious if you ask me.
When you spill juice or coffee on your floor while preparing breakfast or just getting a snack from your busy YouTube life, instead of grabbing a mop and bucket, you simply direct the S10 Ultra to clean up the mess for you. It uses its recycled water to wash away the sticky residue, leaving your floor clean and new. Now, unlike other products that require plugging in your station at designated locations in your home or office for drainage of dirty water or filling of new water, the water recycle feature means you can keep your station anywhere you want, or that's appropriate enough because there is no need for drainage with the S10 Ultra. But that's actually what happens when the cleaning is fully out of my hands. It should just be simple for you and for me. The device doesn't need a water hose as already mentioned. And if you take a look at the water base station here, you'll see no water was added. For testing purposes, I'm going to add some dirty water in here to show how the water recycling system works and the results of the test. So keep on watching. Once inserted, the device returns to the base station, and that is where the magic happens. As you can see, there is no more dirty water in the robo-vac, but all that dirty water I dishonorably added was detected and pumped into the station for recycling. Now it's back to the station, and after some minutes, we can see the recycling system working hard. In fact, these are my results after my little bit of patience waiting for it to recycle. Looks like something you could actually drink, but please don't drink it. It's clean enough to clean your house without worrying about spreading bacteria and dirt around the house, but not for drinking. There are two methods of recycling: the wastewater method, which I just showed you, and the air drying method. Now, something else that I don't like are any type of spots left behind. And with the i3, no spot is left behind because the UltraReach Roller Mop is a game changer as well. This feature is the mechanism that makes sure that there are no smudges or mist spots on your floor. The worst thing you could get from a robot vacuum cleaner is those annoying blemishes after a supposed cleaning. With its design tailored for hard to reach areas, you can relax knowing that those annoying corners where dirt loves to hide will be covered. So whether you have a messy pet or a messy toddler, they cannot hide debris in places that the S10 Ultra can't reach with the UltraReach Roller Mop, because it is perfect for those scenarios. It gets right into those tricky spots along baseboards and furniture edges, ensuring every inch of your floor is clean. Now, what's even more exciting is the edge mopping. Just look at it. It really does a great job reaching out there and getting those stubborn areas right up against edges and corners.
And if we look at the robo-vac itself, on the side here, you can see the edge roller. This actually comes out of the unit itself, and this is the mopper system that actually extends out to go right up against those baseboards. I've not seen that in any other robo-vac. You've actually got a top piece here, and underneath here you've got your power button and your Wi-Fi button, and then this is where the dirty debris sits, and you can see there's a filter inside there. I've been running this thing, pulling up debris. So nice filter built into that right there. And then if we flip it over, you'll see on the bottom side here, here's that nice wide roller to pick up all the debris. nastiness from the floor. And then here is the water reservoir.
Now let's talk about the power, because those tiny little pieces of debris aren't going to lift themselves up and throw them sacrificially into your robo-vac. They need power, and a lot of power. And that is something that the 3i S10 Ultra delivers with 13,000 pascals of suction. Just perspective, some of the higher end robo-vacs that I've tested are maybe around 6,000 to 8,000 pascals. So at 13,000, we are taking leaps ahead in the capability of the i3 S10 Ultra, because it's capable of picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris like crumbs or pet hair. So instead of getting out your old traditional vacuum cleaner, which can be heavy and tiring to operate after hours and hours, you just simply send in the S10 Ultra. Its powerful suction quickly collects everything in its path, leaving your floors spotless without any effort on your part. And I've tested this numerous times, and it really is standing up to the hype that 3i is promoting. Now, something else that gets really frustrating is the roller brush and the tangling of hair or dog hair. It can be a total nightmare with traditional vacuum cleaners and robo-vacs, but that is something that I have spoken about on my channel multiple times, and various companies have various solutions. So the S10 Ultra takes care of that using its anti-tangle design that combines an anti-tangle roller mop with dual comb teeth. This means it effectively prevents hair and debris from clogging the system, ensuring smooth operation every time. So when your dog sheds everywhere and you're constantly battling hair clogs in your vacuum, with the S10 Ultra, you can let it run freely without worry about tangles disrupting its cleaning routine and effectiveness.
And then right here, I want to show you that anti-tangle brush that has the combs in it that actually cut up any hairs. So any hairs that would get caught up in here or string or anything, here are those teeth, little combs that actually cut through any of the hair or the string on the roller itself. And it does this in the robo-vac itself, and then it has another process that it does at the base station to really further make sure that this never gets tangled up with any kind of debris. And then in front here, we've got two really big brushes, and this pulls all the debris into this center area to get sucked up with its powerful 13,000 pascals of suction. Just super impressive. And then something else I want you to notice here, look at these wheels, how high. They've actually got 25 millimeters of elevation that the robo-vac itself can lift its body up to go over some of the most challenging thresholds or terrain, or in some cases even furniture that has support pieces underneath that might be challenging for it to get over. This thing has a whopping 25 millimeters of clearance to get up and over obstacles.
Now let's talk about intelligent navigation. This thing is smart. How smart? Well, it's AI smart. Its AI detection and obstacle avoidance in the S10 Ultra navigates smoothly around furniture and other obstacles in your home. Imagine you're busy working from your home and suddenly your vacuum ran into something. Bang! With this intelligent navigation system, those days are over. The S10 Ultra detects obstacles in real time and adjusts its path accordingly, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. But this is the big question. Are all these fancy features actually worth it? Does it work as effectively as they stated it? Well, I've been testing it for several weeks now because I was sent a pre-production model here to test, and I gotta tell you, it is definitely up there on one of the top robo-vacs that I have ever tested, and it just plain has features that no other robo-vac has. And I love the fact that I never have to worry about emptying out dirty water or filling up the water reservoir for more cleaning. I just let the thing run, it recycles its own water, so I'm doing my part to conserve water, especially in our desert here in Tucson, Arizona. So I gotta tell you, the 3i S10 Ultra is not just another robo-vac. It's an innovative cleaning solution that combines advanced technologies with practical functionality. Its ability to wash floors while recycling water sets it apart, in my opinion, from the competitors like iRobot Roomba or robo-vac models, which are great robo-vacs. They just don't have these innovative features and still require a lot of manual intervention to keep them maintained. So for busy parents, pet owners, or anyone looking to simplify your cleaning routine, investing in this robot vacuum could save you time and effort in maintaining a clean home. Plus, with features like powerful suction and intelligent navigation, it promises the efficiency without sacrificing the performance. So what's the conclusion here? Well, if you're looking for a way to keep your home clean without constant effort, consider waiting for the launch of the 3i S10 Ultra. But wait, there's more. It's actually just now launched on Kickstarter. So there are links in the description of my video. You can check out all the details and other collaborators that have tested this 3i S10 Ultra out and see what their opinions are as well. But at the end of the day, I'm giving this a massive Manshed approved. Go check it out in the links of the description, because with its revolutionary features like the WaterRecycle, UltraReach Roller Mop, and AI navigation technology, it could lead the way in fully automating regular cleanups in your house.